Let's go. Starting our day the right way with a ride on Nemesis Sub-Terra.
Phalanx Research Facility. You are about to enter an underground system first exposed by a Phalanx research team. Something terrible was unearthed. The Nemesis creature, an alien predator from another dimension. When discovered, the enraged creature went berserk. Phalanx immediately mobilized its extreme security division. Since then, there have been no further incidents. Recently, Phalanx operatives have broken through into a previously undiscovered cave. Inside, they found a nest of eggs, the eggs of the Nemesis creature. The nest itself is off limits to the general public, as it is an extremely volatile environment. However, a single egg has been removed and made safe for public exhibition. In a moment, the elevator doors in front of you will open to take you down to the central core, where you will be able to observe the egg. As long as you obey all security directives, your safety is absolutely assured. Please be aware this is a military zone.
This site.
Oh wow, that's got static shock on that pole. I think it's just the rubber lamp on the floor. But that's still tight. Oh, there's the oh yeah, because they haven't done the version over the building yet.
They've gone on a roller coaster, they've gone on that one.
So yeah, so they haven't done, because they haven't done the move, they haven't done the move over the building yet.
So as you can probably see here, we've got a whole new back section of track there added in. A little bit at the front as well. I'm really excited and enjoying seeing this coming together now. I don't really think it's going to take much longer to get the full track in.
They've got the 0-2 roll here, and you can see the stall turn.
So I literally turned around, looked at the telly, which before, I've got to be honest, was just playing the Phalanx logo over and over. It's now playing this cool little advert, this little feature here, which is really cool. It's really good to see the television put to good use. I think it uses a lot of footage from the closing day, stuff that went on.
On behalf of the Phalanx, we welcome visitors to the Nemesis Observation Platform.
Wow, that was good TV. So here's a better look at the new section of track that's been put in this week. Like I say, they're really getting their hats off here and getting this one done really quick. Hopefully keep coming back every week and see some more work done. So another day, another Nemesis update. Once again though, the Nemesis pop-up shop closed. But what I didn't know, you can actually get all the merch now up at the main shop on Tower Street. So if you are after your Phalanx or your Nemesis Sub-Terra merch, head over there. Don't waste your time here, it's always closed. It's pointless. So we're back here in the old hidey holes.
Into the hole? Yes!
The big van that was here has now gone, so we can see a bit more of the entrance area. Looks a lot cleaner. Not a lot going on though. So still not a massive amount going on around here. Still nothing going on here. So it looks like they put some more track in here down here. And there's definitely a lot more in the car park ready, so let's hope we can catch some in being put in someday. Now, Forbidden Valley isn't the only place, Alton Towers, where there have been some big updates recently. We've also got some massive updates here over at Katanga Canyon. The waterfalls are back on Congo River Rapids. I never thought I'd see the day the River Rapids had their waterfalls back on, but I'm really happy, really excited to get back on, so we'll go give this a ride now.
Times are 34. Please remain seated.
That's it, mate. That's where the pennies are made.
We've got James, aka the Coast of City, and Sam, aka the Coast
So there's a lot more track here today than there was last time we were here. That was only a week ago. I think this has come from the secret location. Postcode for that if you do want to go. Papa Hotel 11 to November X-ray. That postcode again. Papa Hotel 11 to November X-ray.
Is that a real place?
No. It's a joke.
So yeah, even more track now made it over to the other side of the car park and some more support. So I think the construction's ramping up now, really kind of speeding this along. Would love to catch it actually going in. Haven't been lucky enough yet to see any construction actually going on. Usually when we're here, the teams are chilling or having a day off by the look of it. But diggers here. There's a piece on the in the actual park there, ready to put in. So work is going on. It does look really good, this track, I'm not going to lie. But the one thing I'm worried about, I've noticed a couple of the bits put in. The paint's starting to look a little bit frayed. It's looking a little bit dirty. Just going to worry at what it's going to look like with time, with age. I'm not sure whether this is going to look as good as we're hoping it will in 2 years, 3 years down the line.
When it starts to get tired and stuff. So we found some more track. Obviously this is just where...
Thanks for watching today. We'll be back for more updates real soon. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll hatch you again soon.